Dokun hariç çalışmaz mı?
This looks pretty cool, huh? Wild West. Welcome to the Wild West, the actual Wild West. Texas is just a prelude to Wild West. That's so awesome. This building, of course, something abandoned. This is it. This is where we're going. Alright, change of game, hiker. From now on my videos will be mute. This means that they will no longer feature background music, unless I'll play some songs of the artist that you just heard, as he officially allows to use his music for purposes such as this. You can find his name in the description of the video. I might figure some other options too, but that's the reality we're facing right now. I've been using no copyright music from YouTube, but I've learned that it's a potentially dangerous thing to do, which would cost me my videos or even my channel. It's very misleading and tricky, but a lot of those songs aren't free to use at all, and you never know when your videos will get taken down because of copyright issues. I've actually already experienced something like this while trying to upload a video. I thought I was using no copyright music, but it still got copyrighted. It seemed more like a glitch or a joke back then, but now I know exactly what happened. I realized that it's a nice touch to play some background music, but I don't care about this as much as about showing you what I see and experience, even if it's mostly raw material. I encourage you to simply play your own music while viewing my videos. That's all I got to say in this little announcement of mine. Now let's enjoy some solitude. no. Look at this hiker. All these old vehicles here. Some people there. That's so cool. Ask him. Hi! Is it right? I just want to take a look at the cars. That's so awesome, man. Why they used to make cars like this and they can't anymore? So weird. Wow, it's so awesome. This one is from Texas. It'd be awesome to go back to the era when these cars were new, spanking new, awesome. Thank you.
think we are already in Tucumcari, New Mexico, and we already see some amazing sights. Look, all this complex of motel, abandoned, closed down. Holy, that's the next level. Entire motel. Wow. Wow, look at this. They've removed the They removed the doorknobs, but some of the rooms are actually open. Okay, this guy is after me, the sheriff or whoever he is. Wow. I don't know why he's after me, but whatever. Alright. This used to be a Greek motel complex, and now, wow. It's cool, but actually there's nothing like that I would like to take photos of. It's cool that I can capture it on my camera, but to take photos, I don't know. Look, it's actually pretty nice inside. Holy. And then this old school garage, Philips. Alright, let's continue on. 28 cents, 29 cents. Shit, man, it's a pity that I couldn't photograph this. Ow! Shit. Already see that this place is amazing, this Tucumcari, but I just need to find a good place where I can park, because otherwise it could be dangerous. And then I should take out my bicycle and ride on my bicycle along the entire route, the entire street. What if I would park here? I don't know. Probably best bet is to park at Tractor Supply. That's what I'm gonna have to do. But for now, let's go. Heritage barber hairstyle. Get your cuts. Heritage barber and hairstyling. What is right there? Maybe I could park there. Okay. Let's go. You see that sheriff? The guy that talked to me back then at the motel, he was laughing when he saw me. That's funny. He's actually a nice guy. The nice guys should be the officers of the law, because this is too responsible job and there's too much power. Here we got cool. Come on. Was there really a 99 octane gas in America? Jeez, look at this price, it's 28 cents, 29 cents. Why the gas can cost like this nowadays? Tucumcari tonight. Where legends begin. This is golf doing there with California plates. I wanted to make this motel interesting with these planes. I would say the one that is abandoned makes is more charming than this one.